Okay. Hi all, welcome to Vision Board Community. So today we have a special guest, Soundarya. So Soundarya will be sharing some kind of success story and how she manifested the desired location near to his home with a baby. Like he's like she story is like an inspiring for me also because with a baby studying to cracking an interview in a desired location, it's like a kind of achievement as a girl point of view. So that's why I invited to Soundria to this podcast. So how Soundria will be helpful for the Azure data analysis, how she learned the thing. So that is the one success story today we want to share through the vision board. Hi Soundria, are you
Uh,
there?
yeah, hi Devi. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good Soundria. So we are eagerly waiting to know your story.
Sure, yes, Devi. Yeah. I joined my previous company as a new joiner after a career after my college. I took 2 years break and then only I joined that company. So it was a very good start actually. That was unexpected moment in that company. So I have no idea that I should leave this company. I have no idea that. But after maybe after 2 years of working in that company and going through motherhood, it was very difficult. In COVID situation, we had work from home, so no, that was not a problem. Then after COVID got over, every company has to go to base location, right? So after that, it was very difficult. I decided to change or I didn't think about changing the company at that till that moment. Then only
Due to the motherhood, right? Due to the
yeah,
motherhood, you cannot able to think
I
about that.
want to, I want to get job somewhere near to my home. That so I could take care of baby and do a job. So that's why I was looking for changing my company. So that's why I'm looking for the courses. So in by God's grace, I got to see your YouTube channel and contacted
Mhm.
you. So that was life changing moment for me actually. By God's grace, I got to see that channel and contacted you. You spoke very well. You spoke very motivated to me that that in that moment only I got hopes that I can change my career and I can get somewhere near to my location. So I started preparing from the moment I joined your course. I dedicated the 2 hours completely. 1 hour I used to watch your video, then the next 1 hour I used to practice in home with baby itself. My mother will take care of the baby, and I used to sit and study the night after making my baby sleep, and then also I used to sit and study. So that was really life changing uh, path I took. Then within 2 months, I just got some hope that we can start giving some interviews. So only I started giving interviews, few interviews, because since I'm living in a tier 2 city, I won't get many calls. So from Coimbatore location, I started applying, and interview was a little bit difficult for me at initial stage because um, in small companies they expect more. They expect
Exactly.
more from us. So and since I was at the initial stage of my preparation, it went a bit difficult only. So
Mhm.
then only I called you again that and said, Devi, I'm started giving interviews in my desired location. So you said that you know, Soundarya, you just go, for a practice you start applying to all companies. I uh, just got that idea from you. Then I started giving interviews in other. I started applying to other companies in other locations also. So I after like 2 to 3 interviews, I got hope. Okay, if we get any offer, it will be very useful to get desired location, to get offer in the desired
Exactly.
location. So
Mm.
it will be motivating for us. If we get any offer, it will be motivating for us to apply and get a job in our location. So only I started giving random resumes to all companies. I started applying to all companies in Naukri. Daily used to go and update my resume in Naukri and apply all jobs in LinkedIn. So I used to do that every day, and
Every day.
dedicatedly started studying and watching your courses. Very often I used to watch 2 to 3 times to practice. I used to do it with many questions, that interview questions and all. It was very useful for me. And in group also, the people used to start sharing their interview experiences, interview questions. So that was really helpful for me. um, Without the all these, I couldn't be able to do interviews without all this. So after clearing one interview, that boosts very much confidence. It will give you very good motivation. So in the
Mm.
next interviews, we will automatically start performing as a pro. So
Okay.
that was a very good thing. So after first offer, actually it was very different location, but
Mm.
then I started giving more interviews, and in a Coimbatore location also I started getting calls. So then
Okay.
in the first interview from Coimbatore, I got cracked. So that was a very great moment. I mean, I thought it was okay. With the baby, we have done this so far.
Yeah,
So
exactly. That is a very good achievement because whatever you manifested, you sit and put your 100%, right? Maybe 110% to achieve your dream with a desired location. That is, as a mother, it's like a very big achievement, to be honest, Soundarya. Like, and I also know a motherhood journey, so it will be very difficult to with a baby, sit and study, to cracking interviews, these things. So you decided a very good thing. Next, I think within few years, maybe you can sit with a very like a big multinational company. So I can see that one way.
yeah, thank you so much, Devi. All credits goes to you and Vision Board community members. Then my
Thanks,
parents. Yeah,
Soundarya. More than that, this is completely your dedication. So, some people, like, we will meet some people in our life. So, if we manifested something, if we have a set a goal, so that is the way you meet me, right? So,
yeah,
but complete dedication, like consistency, hard work, putting yourself, that is the only reason you can be able to clear it. If I am teaching the people, but if you didn't put the effort, how the people will be cracked? So completely your dedication is like one of the hats off. That is very important, Soundarya.
yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, Devi.
yeah.
And in our group also, there is more experienced people, also junior people, experienced people. So they used to share their experience. So it was like communicating with all kind of experienced
See,
persons. So it was very useful, actually. Yeah,
I think the like a February batch, I think batch 5 was almost 38 success stories. Recently, I got like an I think most of the people are high energy. Their vibrations also very high. Interaction, they dedicatedly sit and study. Even in my bed rest also, they call me like Devi, this is a situation, and I will be trying from my best also. So that is the reason we can see this much of success stories, right, Soundarya, in
yeah,
the
yes.
batch 5.
Yes,
So
we used to see success story every day. Every day someone will get offered. So that was really, really motivating for me.
it was it was really because I was also thinking when I was at bed rest, I was teaching, I'm not sure I can achieve, but every day I also used to manifest. So I can able to place this much of people. So that is a 20 offer letter I'm expecting from the community, but currently 38 offer. That is very big
Yeah.
achievement also.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is really nice, actually. And one more thing, Soundarya, like a 2+ years of experience, right? What are the interview question? What are the rounds also you will be facing? So, if someone has 2+ years of experience, how they need to prepare the interview? That is also, can you tell me?
Yeah, Devi. Actually, in Azure data engineering, we say for like a very less experience. No, we used to get more scenario only, not coding and all. I didn't get more coding questions like more
Okay.
SQL or Python question. I didn't get much, but concepts on SQL I received, like union, miss union, all. What is that? So they
Mm,
ask like theory questions only. And
mm,
in Azure, no, like project what you have done. Um,
mm,
what they give us some scenario, how to export this, how to import this. So all these scenario questions I used to get. So I started preparing. After one or two interviews, we used to get questions, and we note it down. No?
mm.
We can get some idea like how they are asking for our experience. So in for
Exactly.
other experience, they are asking this much only, not very high level questions. So we have
Mm.
to first
What which point, like for example, ADF or database, which is the most they ask, like a scenario based question, Soundarya?
yeah, in ADF only I got because
ADF only.
depending upon the role, if they are taking Azure data engineer means they are asking in Azure. Databricks
Mm.
engineer also we can apply. In that we are asked we are getting questions from Databricks and PySpark. We are getting more, but in Azure data engineer, if we apply means we get questions from Azure only mostly. Then
Oh.
in Databricks we get architectures like Spark architecture, that kind of questions. And
Mm.
then only they go for PySpark. In PySpark also they didn't give me very high level questions like coding
Because
and all.
your experience is very low, right?
Yeah,
That is, you are not getting that much of coding question.
yeah. Only like verbal communication it was there. I didn't get any kind of assessments and all. I didn't get. They just ask questions on SQL I got, but not like giving a question and solve that. I didn't get that type of questions. Asked me like theory only. What is the union and all, and like that theory questions only I got. In Azure only they
Ah.
used to test us because. If we have worked on the project, we will know how we will able to solve the scenario questions with that
Hmm.
experience.
Hmm.
So they will test on that only. So if we practice on the like if we practice some questions on scenario based, we will be able to crack that kind of questions. It will be very easy.
Okay.
Yeah, in a SQL we can just learn this basic to intermediate level.
Hmm.
And the theory part we should be very strong, or what are the differences between like everything we having some theory right in every part, so we have to be good at that, then we can able to crack it. Yeah.
Okay, that is really nice, Soundarya. So, finally, any kind of like any kind of advice or any kind of things you want to share from your life, they are really struggling in their career transition or they need good package. You also manifested good package. Same thing, you also good, right? So
Yeah.
that way, anything you want to share with the community for the success, you can share it.
Yes. Even if you are from any background, you can definitely get the Azure data engineer role. It is not very tough. Like other fields, we have to learn more coding. We have to learn many languages and tools. But in Azure, no, we can easily learn concepts. Even the fresher can easily get the concepts. If you start learning 2 to 3 days, you will get the basic knowledge. So. With continuous determination definitely everyone can achieve this. With a baby, if I'm able to do this means
Um,
definitely anyone can do this. I really hope everyone achieve their dream, and if they want to get into this Azure role, definitely they can able to crack. And with your support it is very easy, because um, there will be a vast difference if we start preparing alone. It will be very difficult for guidance and all. But in our community, any time if we ask questions in WhatsApp or with you, if we ping means immediately we get reply within few minutes. That's very fortunate for us, definitely I would say.
Thanks, Soundarya. Thank you so much for your words. So that's why I just want to learning this community in even though my maternity also, right? So this is the words motivating me also going forward. So I
Yes,
can
yes.
able to help others from my community.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, Devi.
Thanks, Andrea. Thanks for your words. Anyway, this podcast will be helping lots of people. Maybe your words will be helping others, right? So that will be come back into your life also. Thank you, Soundarya.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you, babe. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so much.
you. Yes.